Heart attacks affect people globally, all over the world, oftentimes with warning, many times without warning. And when this happens, it leaves people with shock. So how can you avoid this life-threatening event that makes people to suddenly slump and die? So how can you avoid this life-threatening event that is preventable, but it is a major cause of people slumping and dying? Heart attacks can strike suddenly and leave people in shock. Here are some of the reasons why some people are more at risk of developing a heart attack. So you need to note the following risk factors for developing a heart attack. These include high blood pressure or uncontrolled hypertension, high cholesterol levels, being overweight, obesity, smoking, drinking alcohol, stress, and of course, living a sedentary lifestyle. So all these significantly increase the chances of an individual developing a heart attack. So that is why it is important to check with your healthcare provider to find out if you are at risk of those medical conditions that I have just listed, and for proper evaluation and management. Now let's talk about stress. Stress is one major factor that may lead to developing a heart attack. When you are stressed, there is an increase in levels of the stress hormone in your blood, that is cortisol. Cortisol, which is responsible also for raising the heart rate and the blood pressure. So this is one reason why people may suddenly experience a heart attack. This is one reason why people may suddenly experience heart issues. So managing stress through breathing exercises, relaxation exercises, mindfulness, and meditation are actually helpful. Another key point is the need to consume balanced diet. Healthy diet is one way to prevent developing a heart attack. There are heart healthy foods which include vegetables, fruits, nuts, cereals, lean proteins, legumes. So reducing your intake of high saturated fats and sugars will help to dramatically reduce your risk of developing a heart attack. Next, physical activity is very important. This does not just help with maintaining your weight, having healthy weight, but also helps to strengthen your heart. So engaging in moderate intensity exercises like brisk walking, cycling, or even swimming will help greatly. Finally, it is important to recognize the symptoms and signs of a heart disease or a heart attack. Do not ignore the following symptoms if you have them. Symptoms like chest pain, difficulty in breathing, breathlessness, extreme fatigue. If you or someone around you is experiencing this, then you should seek immediate medical attention. In summary, by managing stress, eating healthily, eating a heart-healthy diet, staying active, and paying attention to your body's signals, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing a heart attack. Stay informed, take action, keep keeping fit. See you in my next video. Bye for now.